The Bugatti Veyron, a hypercar masterpiece. The Bugatti Veyron is one of the most iconic and groundbreaking hypercars in automotive history. Launched in 2005, it was a technological marvel that redefined the limits of speed, power, and luxury. Here's a detailed review of the Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron was designed to be the fastest and most powerful production car in the world at the time of its release. It was named after French racing driver Pierre Veyron, who won the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1939 while driving for Bugatti. The Veyron was the first modern Bugatti hypercar under the Volkswagen Group's ownership, and it set new benchmarks for performance and engineering. Engine. The Veyron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,001 metric horsepower, 987 GP, in its original version. Later variants, such as the Super Sport, increased this output to 1,200 GP. Top speed. The Veyron achieved a top speed of 253 miles per hour, 407 kilometers per h, in its standard form, while the Super Sport version set a record at 267.856 miles per hour, 431.072 kilometers per h in 2010, making it the fastest production car in the world at the time. Acceleration. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per h in just 2.5 seconds, showcasing its incredible power-to-weight ratio and advanced all-wheel drive system. Aerodynamics. The Veyron's design was a blend of elegance and functionality, with a sleek aerodynamic body that included an active rear spoiler for stability at high speeds. Chassis. It featured a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, ensuring rigidity and safety while keeping weight to a minimum. Brakes. The car was equipped with massive carbon ceramic brakes to handle the immense speeds and provide reliable stopping power. Tires. Specially developed. Michelin tires were used to withstand the stresses of high-speed driving, capable of handling the Veyron's top speed without failing. The Veyron had several notable variants, each pushing the boundaries of performance and exclusivity. Veyron 16.4, the original model, introduced in 2005. Veyron Grand Sport, a convertible version with a removable roof, launched in 2008. Veyron Super Sport, a more powerful version with 1,200 GP, released in 2010. Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse, the convertible version of the Super Sport, introduced in 2012. Special editions. Limited run models like the Sang Noir, Persang, and L'Edition Centenaire were produced, each with unique design elements and increased exclusivity. The Bugatti Veyron was a game-changer in the automotive world. It proved that a car could combine extreme performance with luxury and reliability, setting the stage for its successor, the Bugatti Chiron. The Veyron's engineering achievements, such as its W16 engine and advanced aerodynamics, remain benchmarks in the industry. When it was launched, the Veyron had a price tag of around $1.7 million, making it one of the most expensive cars in the world. Its limited production, approximately 450 units across all variants, and groundbreaking performance ensured its status as a collector's item. The Bugatti Veyron is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending unparalleled speed, luxury, and innovation. It remains a symbol of what is possible when a manufacturer pushes the boundaries of technology and design. Even years after its production ended, the Veyron continues to be celebrated as one of the greatest hypercars ever built.